Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. And of course, this is Nenye of Nenye's Diary. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are great. So welcome back to another brand new vlog. And yeah, today I am fully dressed and ready to go see a friend. But the way this weather is going, I'm not sure if I'm still going out again because it seems it wants to rain. So I don't understand this rain of these days. It's been raining for the past days here in Oka, and this rain wants to use it reggae to spoil my blues. I don't even understand anymore, but it's fine. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's finally raining. What do you guys normally do when it rains like this? I could remember growing up, whenever it starts to rain like this, we used to curl up ourselves in the bed under the blanket. So I was thinking of what to eat since I didn't go out again. So I decided to make myself an egg breakfast, and also with a hot cup of tea for this weather, because this weather is not even smiling at all. And this egg bread toast can serve as a perfect breakfast for your kids. So today I am in the famous Ekoka market here in Oka. I've been postponing this market because of rain for the past few days. So today I decided to take the bull by the horn. So guys, this is the part that is getting me so worked up in this market of a thing. As in this thing I'm saying now is making me laugh. You know why? Externals, Oka people have learned something bad. And yeah, I'm not even getting it, because it's only in Lagos or Abuja that I'm seeing this kind of a thing. They use all these kind of small plates to sell pepper, shombo, tomatoes and the rest of it. But now Oka people have learned something bad, and with the ridiculous prices they're calling on it, I don't even understand. Biko ni Nigeria emebikwana. Nchombo na ihe na-agụzi mkpụrụ ọnụ ọnụ 500. Look, are very expensive. Look at this painter for 6,000. I don't understand. Not like I'm selling it like.
How much? No one is here. 30,000. 4,000 naira.
Madam.
Gana ko mere 3,000. Iyo jamus.
Oh, you gave them one.
Madam.
This one is even the one that pained me most. Look at 1,500 naira. Hey! Just to make a pot of egusi soup is now money. My dear, I don't know how we're going to survive in this Tinubu era, because things are just expensive. Every time, whenever you go to the market, it keeps on increasing and increasing, increasing and increasing. It's no longer funny. So you guys will be thinking, why is Nenye's Diary packing all this sogo? Anybody that knows me, knows that I love ugu very much. Like I love ugu so much. I can make a lot of things with ugu. Like I make my ugu vegetable sauce and I eat them a lot. Ugu leaf can never spoil in my house. Whoever that knows me that I love vegetables so much. And yeah. So as I was saying, one thing I hate about Oka market is that Oka market in general are quite expensive, and not only that it's expensive, Oka market is one market I hate so much because that market is so disorganized. Like I've been to so many markets, Bayelsa, Port Harcourt, Lagos, Abuja, like even the market in my village, it's so arranged. Like if you need this particular thing, just go to this line, you'll get it, go to the next line, you'll get it, but Oka market is just so disorganized. And one thing I hate about Oka market is that once it rains, forget it. Everywhere is just mixed up. It's just so mixed up. You won't even get the things you need. Everywhere is just so messy. So my subscribers here in Oka and also my fellow YouTubers, how do you see Oka market? Like how do you see Oka market in general? Like their pricing and everything, because Oka market. And you know the funniest part of it is that Oka doesn't even have all these multinational companies or whatsoever. But things are really expensive in Oka. House rent, to buy food stuff here is expensive. Like everything generally is expensive in this Oka. So and then if I just show you guys my leg here, you guys just pity me. Anyways, let me just make myself some noodles because I'm really hungry. So it's another new day. You guys should come and join me as I make this simple one pot okra soup. If you've not subscribed to my channel at this point, please do so by hitting the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for doing that. Before making this soup, firstly, you preheat your oil. Next, I'm going in with my blended pepper, shombo, crayfish, onions, and iru mixture. Then I'm going to allow it to cook for some minutes. So you guys, I'm going to be batch cooking today. I have a lot of things to make, so you guys should just stay tuned to this channel. And also, what are your thoughts about this particular video? The comment section is quite open for us all. Right now, we are the famous Onitsha market where they sell plates. They call it Oboefere. So we are at Nenye Aike's shop where they sell souvenirs, different types of souvenirs like bottles, flags, water mugs, and the rest of it.
Mommy, I said, I will take a bit too.
You guys, this is 12 so you guys, I don't even understand. To get souvenir in the market now is like buying, like I don't even know what to say, but the price, this one is actually nice because I love it because of it has temperature, I think, what's it called? Yeah, see. Oh, I don't even know again. Like it has temperature also, whatever. I don't even know what they call it anyways, but this is actually nice. Just that to get a souvenir for wedding these days is money. Is money. Okay, maybe you can consider this one anyways. I'm going to take it. Don't worry, I'm not. Don't worry, I'm not going to take it. Don't worry. Yeah, years ago, you know what? Years ago, you can know what. Onitsha main market is so big that you can get whatever you are looking for. This is actually my first time I'm going to this market, like this section of the market. I've been to main market here some years back, but this is actually my first time I'm going to the plastic section and the plate section. So, and yeah, this is actually the end of this video. So if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.